We have a mix of sun and clouds. I'd say mostly cloudy for a good portion of Palm Beach County. Treasure Coast, you're seeing a bit more sunshine. Rain chances start to go up for inland areas just around lunchtime. And then by the early afternoon, we start to see the rain and storms picking up mainly for the interior. And then by 3, 4, 5 o'clock, we've got more rain along the coast. And then that clears out as we head into the evening. So about a 40% chance of rain and storms after lunchtime today, moving in from the west to the east. Your hour by hour forecast through your morning. We're warming quickly into the lower 80s by 9 a.m. Upper 80s by 11 o'clock, feeling more like the upper 90s by 11 o'clock though. Highs today going to be in the lower 90s, feeling like the triple digits. If you're headed out to the beach, go early. The earlier the better, because the lightning risk goes up by the later afternoon. For boating, there will be some storms around Lake O around lunchtime and then along the coast as we head into the afternoon. So plan accordingly if you want to do some boating as well, I'd say. With that, also the earlier the better. Anything you want to do outside today, the earlier the better. Rain chances a little bit lower on Sunday, and that trend continues into Monday, and then more of our typical summertime pattern as we head through Tuesday and Friday of next week.